Hi, welcome to my video session, screen recording session. My name is Rajendra Pareda, and before I start, I just want to put a disclaimer that the message or idea that I'm uploading here or talking about here has nothing to do with my company or the people I'm associated with. This is my personal message and my personal idea, so please don't associate it with anything else. Now, after saying the disclaimer, so let's start with what I want to say here. I have been recently interested in the Internet of Things, where we want to basically do a lot of stuff, prototyping stuff using hardware and software combination, and then see how that will be useful for us. Now, in this is my first lesson, so here I just wanted to say that I bought this new Arduino software called Yun. Hardware called Arduino Yun, which has Ethernet and USB host, and it has a 80 mega 32U4 controller as well as a Linux processor, and it has micro SD and Wi-Fi. So this basically, the idea of buying this is I can interface with Wi-Fi or Ethernet or all those kind of things, or micro SD. So I'll come to those things later. But for the first thing in this particular video, I wanted to say that what I learned actually. I learned how do I connect this to my PC using this micro USB cable, and once I did that, how do I basically upload a program. Basically, this is the IDE using which you upload the program. So you go here and then you choose what is your Arduino port, wherever it is connected to. I'm not going through all those things because you will be finding video in the internet which talks about those things. Now after that, basically this is one of the first programs where you take it and you just upload this program to blink the LED in the Arduino um, processor, and this I uploaded and it works fine. There is no issue with that. Now let's say tomorrow I'll be writing some complicated program. So the idea came to my mind, how do you really do the debugging? That's the first thing, right? So you want to do debugging. Let's say there are a lot of if conditions and while for loop or while loop and all those things I have. Now if some statements or instructions that is not working, how do I make sure where up to what point my program is able to run. So I need the simple way of debugging is just putting println statements, and that is what here I'll be showing how do you do that. And so there is a program here in Arduino side. It's called digital read serial. So what it does is it initializes your serial port to some bits per second. I don't know why this is really required, but you need to initialize this in your setup function. And after that, all you need to do is serial println, and then you can write the string or integer values here. So this particular thing is a new lesson for me, and it has been really useful. So I'm going to show that. So basically, I'll copy this. Let's say these two lines, and just paste it in my old program that I have. So here I'll be saying let's do initialize that serial port, and after that let's try to copy these things and print it, right? So I'll go here along with the digital the LED being will be on and off, so it will print. So now let's say hello. I'll print hello Rajendra. Hello world from Rajendra Pareda. Now once I did this, it will try to print this particular line every time it is in the loop, and then it will also do this LED on and off. And then let's run this code. So I'll upload this code into the Arduino. So it's saying compiling sketch. You can see that it's uploading now. once it's finished uploading, so local variable maximum, so it prints something and it says done uploading, and then I can open my serial monitor here. Let me bring that into focus, and then you can see it says hello world from Rajendra Parida. So these kind of statements is very useful for me, because I will be able to see that okay, this particular statement is getting executed, or if I have some if conditions or whatever it is, whether that program is that particular instruction is being executed or not, or if it is not, then I have to think why that particular thing is not running. So that's the kind of thing that I wanted to just talk about it, because this is a new lesson for me, and hopefully it is useful for you too. Thanks, and see you later. Bye.